Namaskar to all of you, my dear students, and again welcome to you on 15th day online class of English for grade 8. Up to 14 days, I mean within 3 days, 11, 12, 13, 14 days, you came to know about connectives. And today, on 15th day, I am here to teach you about causative verb. Generally, causative verb is called in Nepali Pranatmak Kriya. In Nepali, you may get the sentence and that you are asked to change into causative sentence. But from the viewpoint of English, you need to only insert appropriate verb in the given question or in the given sentence. Generally, causative sentence means when any senior persons or elder persons make us do any task or they inspire us to do some task, that is called Pranatmak sentence. For example, I mean to say Ram's father made him work hard. In this sentence, Ram's father made him work hard means Ram's father inspired him or made him to do the task that may be beneficial or that may be advantageous for him. But in English, causative verb means generally you have to watch for 3 verbs: make, have, get. Sometimes let is also used in causative verb. And make, have, get. These 3 are the main causative verb, whereas sometimes these verbs are asked in past tense or sometimes in future tense also. I mean to say has, have, had. These are the 3 verbs that is used in causative verb with the help of have. Similarly, make, makes, made. These are the 3 verbs which are made from make are used in causative verb. And for the get also the same thing. Get, gets and got. These 3 are used in causative verb. As I told you, sometimes let is also asked. But before using causative verbs, you have to watch for 2 things. That is, first one is either agent or person or doer. Agent, person or doer. That means same thing. I mean, you should think Vyakti. Second one is thing or object or goods. That means vastu. So before inserting appropriate causative verb, you must be clear that after the causative verb is there agent or is there thing or object or goods. I mean, you have to make very clear decision before inserting. For example, if I say doctor, then you should reach to the conclusion whether it is person or the thing. So I am sure that you will be clear. Doctor means person, teacher person, duster thing, pen thing. But sometimes you may get such word that may create little bit confusion if you are not able to find out the meaning. For example, broker. If you are clear broker means what, you will get no problem while inserting. But if you are not clear about the meaning, then you may get little bit confusion whether it is object or it is person. So when you are in confusion, I am sure that you cannot find out the right answer. Similarly, another word you may see cups. Similarly, petrol. These are the words that may create confusion for you. Broker, generally it means like an agent, but if you are not able to find out the meaning, then you may insert thinking object also. Similarly, cups. There is a one CUP cup, COP cup. It means that if you are clear about the meaning, then cup means what? Then you can find out the right answer. Similarly, petrol. There is 2 types of petrol. One is PETROL, another one is PATROL. So petrol, that is the homophonic words, and in such homophonic words you have to think little bit deeply that whether it is thing or it is person. So I mean to say, before inserting causative verb, you must be clear whether after the causative verb, whether there is a person or the thing. Only then you can reach to the right answer. So, once again, before using causative verb, you should be clear about agent or the thing. And here, sometimes in the form of agent or in the form of person or doer, there may be one word or sometimes thing or object or goods may be in the question. After that, there is some certain rules that will encourage you, that will help you to reach to the correct answer. The rules here I am writing. First, there may be has or have or had. Has, have, had plus agent. So I mean to say, after has or have or had, after that if there is agent, then the answer will be verb 1. Similarly, after has or have or had, if there is thing, then the answer will be verb 3. I mean past participle. According to rule number 3, after get, gets, got, if there is person, then in answer you have to insert 2 plus verb 1. Similarly, according to rule number 4, after get, gets or got, if there is thing, then the answer will be verb 3. Rule number 5, after make or makes or made, if there is person, then answer will be verb 1. Here you may get little bit confusion. After has, have, had, if there is agent, your answer will be verb 1. But if after has, have, had there is no agent, there is thing, then the answer will be verb 3. Similarly, if after get, gets, got, there is a person, then 2 verb 1. But if after get, gets, got, if there is a thing, then answer will be verb 3. Similarly, as I have written here that make, makes, made. So after make, makes, made, if you watch their person, then the answer will be verb 1. Then you may ask one question here that if after make, makes, made, if there is no person, there is a thing, then what is the right answer? You may ask this question to me, but I want to make it clear. After make, makes, made, if there is no person, there is a thing, then it will be clear that is not the causative verb. And such question will never be asked to you. So about that, you have no need to feel any confusion. Only after make, makes, made, there is a person, then that is the causative, and answer will be verb 1. But if there is an object that is not the causative, you need not to insert there. According to rule number 6, if there is either is or am or are, or there may be was, or where. After that, if there is made, then in answer you have to insert verb 1. So again you watch. After has, have, had, if there is agent, verb 1. But if after has, have, had there is a thing, then the answer will be verb 3. Similarly, after get, gets, got, if there is a person, then the answer will be 2v1. But instead of person, if after get, gets, got, if there is a thing, then the answer will be verb 3. Similarly, after make, makes, made, if there is a person, then the answer will be verb 1. And after make, makes, made, if there is object, then that is not the causative. And if it's after is, am, are, was, where there is a made, then answer you have to insert correct one, that will be 2 plus verb 1. Sometimes, as I told you that with let also the causative verb is asked. So with let, if there is let plus person, then always you have to insert answer verb 1. So these are the totally 7 rules related with the causative verb, and except these 7 rules, there is no any extra that you need to find out the right answer. And now I would like to show these rules with the help of some examples that will encourage you to find the correct answer. And in causative verbs, you may be asked to insert the answer in 2 ways. But first you have one system or one way that how the questions are asked. First, in causative, see the questions how it is asked. For example, Ram's father gets him English. This is the questions. Sometimes you may get only verb 1 in bracket. This is the one way. And secondly, first let me tell you about the first one. Ram's father gets him English. This sentence, what is there? No matter. Only you watch which causative verb is here. So as you watch, here is a gets. And after gets, as I told you, you judge what is there. After gets, immediately there is a him, and him means you judge whether it is person or it is thing. So I am very clear that, and I am sure that, of course, you can judge him means this is a pronoun that is used for male, for person. So in conclusion, after get there is a him. It means person, it means that after get a person, then you watch in the rule that which rule supports you to find the right answer. So I think that after gets, if there is a person, that is from the rule number 3rd. That after gets a person, then answer will be to verb 1. To speak. So the answer is Ram's father gets him to speak English. राम को बुवाले रामलाई अंग्रेजी बोल्न लगाउनुहुन्छ. Sometimes you may get option also. As you see here, Rohit makes his brother homework. In option, do, to do, and done. Again you work. Makes, that is the causative verb, and after makes there is his brother. It means, of course, his brother is related in the person, can't be the thing or can't be the goods. So after make, if there is a person, as I have told you in rule, that after make or makes or made, if there is a person, then the answer will be verb 1. So from the given option, the right answer will be do, because this one is the to do means to plus infinitive, and second one is done, that is the past participle. So the best answer is do. Why? Because after make there is a person. Similarly, the questions may be asked in opposite way. The opposite way means how? Now here may be asked that to insert the causative verb also, like she her sister, her sister switch off TV, and in bracket there is makes, gets, and has. Now you she her sister to switch off TV. So in the given sentence, no causative verb, but the answer is here. It is her sister, and after her sister there is a 2 plus verb 1. It means that now you go in the rule that in which rule you find that after agent 2 plus verb 1. Then of course you'll be clear that after agent, if there is a 2 verb 1, that means you need from the causative verb either gets or got or get. So from the given option, if you watch, then of course you will be able to find the answer gets. Why gets? Makes need verb 1, that is not here. Similarly has needs also after agent verb 1, that is not here, but to verb 1 is here. So right answer will be gets. Likewise, you watch one or two more example related with the causative verb. The next one is Subodh was met a song in the party. In bracket, sing, to sing, song. So Subodh was made dash a song in the party. So here after subject there is a was and then verb 3. So as I have told you and as I have written in rule number 6, that's either is or am or are or was or were. After that made, then in answer you need to insert 2 plus verb 1. So according to rule number 6, if you read this sentence, if you watch this sentence, study this one, then it's clear that the appropriate or the suitable answer will be to sing. Subodh was made to sing a song in the party. Finally, one more example you watch. Rupesh has his pen full stop. And the given option lust to lust. So here the causative verb is has, and after has his pen, it means his pen. So the pen is related with the object or the thing. So either has or have or had or get or gets or got. So after those causative verbs, if there is an object, they need to insert the answer verb 3. So I mean past participle. So here the right answer will be lust. This is the verb 3. In this way, from causative verbs, you may be asked the questions either to insert with the help of option or in bracket you may find only verb 1. But it is clear that there will be only 3 possibilities, either to V1 or verb 1 or to verb 1. I mean verb 3 or verb 1 or to V1. And according to the rule, you have to make clear that after has or have or had, if there is an object, then verb 3. Similarly, either get or gets or got, if there is object, again will be verb 3. But after has, have, had, if there is person, then verb 1. After get, gets, got, if there is a person, then to V1. Similarly, after make, makes, made, if there is a person, then verb 1, and object cannot be given because that will not be the causative verb. And after is, am, are, or was, were, if there is a verb made, then answer will be to V1. Finally, after let, if there is a person, then again you have to insert the answer V1. So here I am writing 2-3 questions, and then you just what is the right answer yourself. I will provide you only verb 1 in the given bracket. Only 5 questions insert. As a homework you may solve at your home. He makes me Nepali fluently. Second one, the teacher gets his students. The teacher gets his students hard in class. Similarly, number 3, my mother has me. Number 4, my elder brother made me my duty. Number 5, the captain made army his command. In the first questions, the given option is speak. In second, work. In third, cook. In number 4, perform. Number 5, follow. So these are the 5 questions as a homework for you, and with the help of given teaching, with the help of given rules, if you try your best, I am absolutely sure you can find the correct answer. So on the 15-day online class of English for grade 8 related to the causative verb, here I have tried my best to impart you better knowledge related with the causative verb. Thank you very much.